Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 8 of my 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this green and silver water marble. If you'd like to see the rest of the series, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's water marble, we're going to be using the same colors as yesterday's Drip Drop Blobicure Christmas tree decals. The darkest green is Wyatt, the hollow green is Merida, the lightest green is Ness, and then the silver is Trixie. I'll be using Trixie as my base color. When I'm done with that, I'm going to protect her on my nails with tape as well as with Simply Peel. As usual for a water marble, we're working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once your bullseye is complete, you can go ahead and stretch it up to the top and then down to the bottom. Then I'm just going to start drawing in some very tight chevrons to create stripes. Once your design is complete, take a look at where you want to dip your nails, then line them up. Try to keep the stripes on there. Actually, you know what? Instead of going straight, let's put them at a little bit of an angle. What angle do we want to put them at? Maybe like that. And then go ahead and dip in. With your orange stick, you can clean up any of that excess polish. You don't want that to stick to your design when you pull your fingers out. And then once the surface is fully clear, we're going to be pulling out very slowly. That helps prevent bubbles, although it's hard to prevent them completely. Oop, that bubble let out a little bit of polish. And there's our green striped water marble. So, since we've used our protection here, you can just grab the edge of this tape and pull it off. Save yourself a lot of cleanup that way. I'm going to repeat that on this finger, and then I'm going to finish water marbling the rest of my nails. Finally, we'll be finishing off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm really pleased with how this turned out. It's given me strong kind of green candy cane or ribbon candy vibes, and I feel like the stripes are a really nice kind of complementary contrast to the circles of the Blobicure in yesterday's Drip Drop Blobicure Christmas Tree Decals, which is perhaps the longest title of the series, and so far my favorite. Was very sad to take off those little trees, but I'm glad to replace it with something almost as awesome. We're about 2/3 of the way through the series now, but I've hopefully saved some of the best for last. So I hope you guys stay tuned. I'd love to hear what you think so far down in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.